in every way. And forevermore. And forevermore. That's how you stay. That's how you stay.
It's my first time in Zadar. It's very beautiful here.
It's incredible.
We've been traveling the world and making music together for about 14 years now. But right now we're on tour for the lovely album called Sensual. Solo project, just Rachel Z. I'm just a special guest of my wife.
Tonight, we're going to party with jazz.
Yes. I think it's good that sometimes she has a project, I have a project, but mostly we are working on music together, which is kind of fun.
We are three hearts and one mind.
But it's also good to explore collaboration with other people, so it keeps the musical life very fresh and interesting. You are right when you say the drums chose me. I was trying different instruments when I was a young boy. I tried the piano because my aunt played the piano. My uncle had a guitar in his house, so sometimes I would play the guitar. And in elementary school, I started to play the violin a little bit, but I really fell in love with the drums. Over the years, I continued to play the piano and the guitar, mainly for composition, just to work out ideas, and I've written a lot of music on those instruments. I've been with a great drum company for almost 40 years now. The company's called Pearl Drums. And we have had a wonderful collaboration for so many years. And they support me all over the world. I have designed signature snare drums for them. Last year, we introduced a new line of drums called Reference One. I like to think of it as the Stradivarius for the drums. Hybrid drum set. I'm very happy. The instruments are always getting better. You know, the funny thing is, the first language of music I learned was jazz on the drum set because of my father. I was playing with my father's band professionally at age 10 years old. I did my first gig with my father. But I started playing drums around 5 or 6 years old. It was interesting for me, though, because even though I'm playing jazz music with my father and that band, I was also playing soul music, R&B music, rock music, reggae music with my friends, my age, my colleagues. And so I like to say that I got a steady diet of a little bit of everything, which I think was great for me because it makes me open to many musical experiences. I have many references that I can call upon when I'm playing drums that makes any style that I want to play interesting. It's like having many paint colors to paint with. We just left Trieste, which was beautiful. Before that, we played in Lecco. And then after that, I'm going to have to ask Rachel, what's the next stop?
Okay, thank you very much.